State's ready with number 22.
Okay, Travon Livingston and Tial Beverly, please unmute and turn on your cameras. Mr. Livingston, please turn on your camera and unmute.
Due to the protective order, I'm requesting that I keep my camera off, sir.
How does a protective order prevent you from turning on your video?
I spoke to a lady in the breakout room and she told me that I keep my camera off.
That wasn't the answer to my question, sir. I'm the judge. I get to ask that question. So why is it that your video should not be on during a court hearing?
I don't want to disclose the location, sir.
Okay. Is where you're in the room you're in going to disclose your location?
Yes, sir.
How is that?
Familiar background, sir.
Okay. I'm denying your request, Mr. Livingston. I need you to turn on your camera. We're having a hearing here. I got to be able to see you so I can talk to you and see what you're saying.
Do you mind move to my vehicle?
Yeah, you can move to your vehicle, but hurry up because I got other people waiting.
Yes, sir. Sir.
All right, do both of you swear testimony that you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Mr. Livingston?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, Ms. Attefi, go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. We're here on a suit affecting the parent-child relationship. The state's asking that the court take judicial notice that Mr. Livingston is present in court today, and a copy of the state's petition was sent to him.
Okay, so noted.
Parties have a partial agreement, and I'll read the agreed portions and then take testimony on the contested issues. Parties agree that there's been family violence in the last 2 years and that the father has a protective order against the mother. Parties are in agreement for a mutual non-disclosure. Parties are in agreement for the mother to be named sole managing conservator with the right to designate the primary residence in the Dallas and contiguous counties. Child's currently on the government medical plan. The mother also carries private dental insurance through the marketplace at a cost of $50 a month. Miss Beverly, can you please state your full name?
Teal Beverly.
And the name and age of your child?
Tori Livingston, and she's 1.
And when you had your child, did Mr. Livingston sign an acknowledgement of paternity stating that he is the father?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you hear the agreed portions that I read?
I'm sorry, can you read them again? What were they?
That there's a finding of family violence and that the father has a protective order against you. You're
Yes,
in agreement to a mutual non-disclosure. The mother, you, will have sole managing conservatorship with the right to designate the child's primary residence in the Dallas and contiguous counties. Child is currently under the government medical plan, but you carry dental insurance through the marketplace at $50 a month.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are those still your agreements?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you believe they're in the best interest of your child?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you asking the court to accept those agreements?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, are you in agreement with the father to have a standard possession visitation?
Yes, ma'am.
The father makes $20 an hour at $30, 30 hours a week. Are you in agreement for child support to be set at $396 a month?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you in agreement for cash medical to be set at $234 a month?
If he wants to go half, like if he wants us to split that, I have no problem with that. But if not, then I'm in agreement with that.
Okay, so if he wants to pay half of the $234, you're in agreement with that?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you in agreement, I'm sorry. The state calculated retroactive child support for the 6 months you've been separated at $2,376 to be paid at $62 a month, starting December 1st, 2024. Are you in agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Ask the witness. Mr. Livingston Jr., can you please state your full name?
Travon Livingston Jr.
Did you hear the earlier agreements that I read?
Yes, ma'am.
Are those portions still your agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you asking the court to accept those agreements?
Yes, ma'am.
And you believe they're in the best interest of your child?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, the state is setting child support at $396 a month beginning December 1st, 2024. Are you in agreement with that amount?
No, ma'am.
Can you explain why?
My car payments are around the same amount, and I'm not sure if I'll be able to keep up with that.
What are you asking child support to be set at?
I'm honestly not sure. I just wanted to be a little bit more easier for me to be able to accommodate my expenses.
The 396 is too high, but you don't know what you feel it should be set at.
No, ma'am.
Cash medical, the state's recommending for cash medical to be $234 a month, beginning December 1st, 2024. Are you in agreement with that?
Yes, ma'am.
The state's calculating retroactive support at $2,376 to be paid at $62 a month beginning December 1st, 2024. Are you in agreement to the child support judgment amount?
No, ma'am.
And are you in agreement to the repayment amount?
No, ma'am.
Okay. During the time you were separated from Miss Beverly, were you providing financial assistance?
The financial assistance I'll be providing was sent to my mother.
So no, you did not give her money for your child.
No, ma'am.
Do you have any other children?
No, ma'am.
Sir, do you have, the mother is requesting to have a drug and alcohol injunction, meaning you cannot consume drugs or alcohol 12 hours before or during the visitation. Are you in agreement with that?
Perfectly fine.
I'm sorry, Mr. Livingston. I'm gonna need you to speak up a little bit.
My apologies. I said that is fine. That's fine.
Thank you.
Okay, I passed the witness, Your Honor.
Is there an exchange placement set for you since we're doing standard visit?
So basically what we've been doing is I just go through his mom, I just drop her off and I leave and he'll
Okay,
just
grandmother is the exchange location?
yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, Miss Kamisha Livingston.
Okay, is that what y'all gonna include that in the order?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay. I just didn't hear that part. Okay, so the part y'all agreed to, those are all fine. I don't care about your car payment, Mr. Livingston. It's based on your income. Your child support set at $396. Medical support, I'm gonna set it at $120 per month. So I'll give you a little relief there for the medical. And then retroactive judgment of $2,376 payable at $62. Let's do that at $35 a month. You can always pay more. You can pay it off if you want, but at least you have to pay $35 a month there. So it will extend out the amount of time it takes you to pay it off. if you're only paying $35 a month, but that's what they're going to send to your employer to take it out of your check. And like I said, you can always send in more, and anything you send over the amounts will go towards any arrears that you may owe. I'm going to grant a mutual not drug and alcohol injunction that both of you are not to consume alcohol or be under the influence of controlled substances before, during, or anytime you have possession of the child. Neither one of you should be drinking or taking a controlled substance while you have the child, basically. And you shouldn't be under the influence when you have the child. So that'll take care of that. Both of y'all are not allowed to drink when you have the child, and both of you are not allowed to do drugs when you have the child. All right, court calls bill to Mr. Livingston. The Attorney General's office will draft the order and email y'all a copy, and that'll be the order of the court. Y'all are done with court. You can press leave on the Zoom to exit out. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Have a good day.